नमस्कार मंडळी. कुबेर फाउंडेशनच्या यूट्यूब चॅनलवरील जपलेली निरागसता ऑटिझम लढाई का मातेचा या सिरीजमध्ये मी नमिता काराडे खांडेकर आपणा सगळ्यांचे सहर्ष स्वागत करते. बऱ्याचदा ऑटिझम असणाऱ्या व्यक्ती या आपल्याला न सुटणाऱ्या कोड्यासारख्या वाटतात. याचे कारण त्या व्यक्तींना संवाद साधण्यात येणाऱ्या अडचणी, आपल्या भावना त्यांना व्यक्त करता येत नाहीत, आपल्या आवडीनिवडी सांगता येत नाहीत. यामुळे त्यांना समजून घेणे हा या पालकांसमोरील खूप मोठा प्रश्न असतो. प्रत्येकजण यातून काही ना काही मार्ग हा काढतच असतो. आज आपण पाहणार आहोत सुष्मिता सेन या पालकांनी यातून कसा मार्ग काढला आहे. चला तर पाहूया त्यांचा लेख जर्नी विथ ऑटिझम अ रोलर कोस्टर राईड. One fine day, my normal life no longer remained normal when at the age of 3, my son was diagnosed with autism spectrum disorder, ASD, a developmental disorder that affects communication and behavior. Although autism can be diagnosed at any age, it is said to be a developmental disorder because symptoms generally appear in the first 2 years of life. As he reached 2.5, we got our first alarm with his delayed speech. Like any other parents, we visit a pediatrician to know the result, but he refer our case to a child psychiatrist. With a series of different questions, which we never took seriously, his diagnosis proceeded, and after a long diagnosis process, the doctor handed over our report with his car scale and informed us that our son is having autism spectrum disorder, a lifelong disorder due to which he may face difficulty in his social communication and interaction, with restricted interest and repetitive behaviors. With this realization, our life took a 3,600 turns, and ahead of us was a dark tunnel, which would be full of unknown challenges. But my heart was still not ready to accept the fact. With the passage of time, realization dawned in, and slowly with numb eyes my brain took over my heart, and I had no option other than to pull up my socks and start gearing up for a tremendous life that would lie ahead of me. I realized that my son Siddharth was facing wide range of issue, which means that there was no single best treatment for ASD. I need to consult doctors and specialists to find solution to plenty of issue which we would have with our son. He would require ample handholding to learn day-to-day activities, coupled with an uphill task of finding the right specialist for him, and thus would require an exhaustive level of search. As I embark on my journey for a countless visits to special educator, occupational therapist, and speech therapist, I realized that I was no longer a normal mother who took her child to park to play games, which came normally to any child, but in my case, I will have to take him for special game sessions so that he will learn how to play regular games. While normal parents brought book for their kids to learn, I will have to take extra efforts to prepare flashcards for everything to condition his learning. And I lost every single hope when one day I realized that he can't even recognize my picture. Dejected, I had to run to the expert who consoled me and guided me how to overcome this disappointment and life continue with such challenges. At the age of 12 years, I have no inkling about his interest, but I had noticed that whenever we used to go for musical or dance program, he used to enjoy those. It made me think that maybe his interest lay in dancing or singing. At this stage, I learned about a celebrity dance academy and his encouragement for special kids.
Ganpati Bappa Moria.
As we enrolled him, he immediately took a liking for it, and we got good reviews for my son. We could see his confidence going up, which also brought new hopes in our life. He was a non-verbal child till the age of 12, but with good reading skill, a sharp memory, and a support of ever-caring principal, he managed his mainstream schooling quite well. his being non-verbal was another great concern for us. And we realized we have to enhance his understanding and not let him depend on his root memory. We started pushing him to understand the meaning of words by making his personal dictionary of regular use words and their meanings. Results were encouraging. He had a liking for music too. I wondered whether singing can break the barrier of words and sentence, which was a rarity. But the $1,000,000 question was how? As I was ready to experiment and take the risk to teach singing to a non-verbal child who had very little words that too, with not much clarity. Where do I find the tutor who will take him under his wings and help him soar? God heard my prayers, and soon I found both his passion for singing and his first guru. Though he is just 6 months into singing, but my heart says he will do well. Amen. I feel transformed. Soaring with newfound hopes, I am trying to raise my bar both for him as well as me. Recently, I have introduced sports in his life. As usual, unclear in the beginning and dabbled with cricket, football, and whatnot. We realize he is not cut out for team games. As a short introduction to table tennis, and lo and behold, I have another surprise in my life. A liking for table tennis, amazing. Now, my son and my day is crammed with dance, singing, and table tennis. We tag along with each other merrily and look forward to the next phase of life. It has been tough. It will be tough, but the Almighty never disappoints you. As somebody said, अपना time आएगा. Just the next. Very well said, Sushmita ji. And all the best for Siddharth for his great future. आणि आता आपण पाहणार आहोत सिद्धार्थचा एक छोटासा व्हिडिओ.
हवाओं में बहेंगे, कटाओं में रहेंगे, तू बरका मेरी, मैं तेरा पागल पिया, जो तेरे न हुए तो किसी के न रहेंगे, दीवानी तू मेरी, मैं तेरा बादल पिया, हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली, एक रांझा और हीर जैसी, न जानी ज़माना क्यों चाहे रे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया, पिया 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 रे, पिया रे, पिया रे, पिया रे, पिया रे, पिया रे, दुनिया की नजरों में ये रोक है, हो जिनको जाने जो गए, एक तरफा साए दो दर्द का भरम, दो तरफा है तो ये संजोगे, नहीं हमें जिंदगानी की कहानी, कैसे मोर पे हुए खुद से पराए, हम किसी से है ना जोड़ के, हजारों में किसी को तकदीर ऐसी मिली, एक रांझा और हीर जैसी, न जानी ज़माना क्यों चाहे रे मिटाना, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया, कलंक नहीं इश्क है काजल पिया. Thank you.